Edo government don order the arrest of Dr. Ozekhomhe for impersonation. The Edo state government don direct the security operatives for the state to maintain law and order for Uwano Kingdom of Esako local government for the state. Con still order the arrest of one Dr. Fea Ozekhomhe wey declare himself as the village head for Ivukwe community for Uwano Kingdom for impersonation and for causing katakata and jibiti for the community. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu wey give the order for Monday for Government House Benin City, con tok say Dr. Ozekhomhe refuse to attend the meetings wey the government set up, say make e report himself to the state police in the next 48 hours or dem go declare am wanted. Shaibu con still add say Edo no dey safe for troublemakers and the government don tanda gidigba to drive away anybody wey wan cause katakata for the state.
The last time that we invited them, they were not here. We have to move the meeting because of them. I think the second time they were here and they gave complaint of one or two reasons some persons were not here, we have to adjourn again. And the first one, they said the notice was too short. The other one, they said some people came from Lagos, they went back. The second one, we decided that we will give a long notice. And they wrote again. I'm told by my peers that they wrote to ask for extension and all whatnot. We re-adjourned again, and I asked that they should grant them that extension so that there won't be any reason why they will not come for us to resolve whatever it is in that kingdom. People, when we take government take decisions, some people go and say whatever they like, but they forget that government will take its time in arriving at every decision it takes. Edo State, we are determined. We have a governor that have the will and he have the might and is not afraid to enforce law and order. Because only when there is law and order in our communities and in our state that we can proudly tell ourselves that the economic activity and prosperity will be physically felt and seen by our people. But in an atmosphere of lawlessness, obviously no investor, nobody will want to come and do meaningful activities that will bring prosperity in our land. And as far as we are concerned, all territory in Edo State must be governed. And the condition, number one condition is that there must be law and order. The rule of law must always prevail. If anybody has reason to disagree, you have that right to disagree, but you must follow channels of hearing your opinion and frustration or protest. And you must respect constituted authority. And when I mean constituted authority, any authority that is gazetted by government is a constituted authority. And that authority must be respected. Because when you disrespect that authority, you're actually disrespecting government. Because at that level that you are, that is the government. At that level, that is the government. So if you are looking for governor, that is the governor. If you are looking for president, that is the president at that level. So the president or governor is not the one you see every day, but all those that carry out these activities on his behalf are all those that are gazetted by the same government. So at every level, whoever has that seal and the authority of government to act is acting on behalf of the president or acting on behalf of the governor of the state or acting on behalf of the local government at that level. Solicitor General, these people did not come again. Even when they wrote for extension, we extended, they didn't come again. And I've been seeing pictures, I've gotten security report of the activities in that area. I considered your committee, a committee that you people were, I have a report here that they've given to us. I thought when we come today, we'll just resolve and we tell everybody to maintain peace while government will give us the final verdict of what we thought should be. But as it is now, I will have to deal with what is on ground now before I go back to this document. Unfortunately, if those people were here, they will have seen what government have worked to see whether we are justified or not. But having said that, I would like the law enforcement agency to provide security in that area. Nobody is above the law in that place. So, representative of brigade commander, the representative of the commissioner of police, I want Mr. FEA Ozekhomhe to be arrested immediately and brought to police headquarters. Failure to do that, he should be declared wanted. And I'm giving this within the next 48 hours. If he does not report to the police headquarters, he should be declared wanted and arrested for disobeying government order and for promoting native war in that environment. And also impersonation. We are not in a banana republic. The law of the land must be obeyed. And we will always speak for peace and speak for reconciliation. But whoever does not want to be reconciled does not belong to our society, because we are building a civilized society where ideas must multiply. Discussion must take place for us to agree on how to do things. The era of barbarism is gone in Edo State and will never return. We have committed to institute law and order, and nothing but law and order, nothing less.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party for election day.